In this video, I'm going to teach you how to open Revolut account in Spain. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Revolut is available in plenty of locations, including Spain. To open your very own account, you must download the Revolut app. You can find the app available for free on either the Play Store or the App Store. So if you are on Android or iOS, visit the respective store and look for the Revolut app. This is how it looks on the App Store. Of course, I'm showing it on my computer because I'm recording here, but you can absolutely do all of this through your phone. Once you download the Revolut app, the very first thing that you will see when you open it up and choose the option to sign up is to input your phone number. Let's get started. In here, switch the country code accordingly, so tap here, and then look for Spain, and input your mobile number. You will need to have a valid mobile number that can be activated to create your Revolut account. Once you input this information, everything looks okay, tap sign up, verify the phone number if needed, and then input your country of residence. So once again, Spain. Be aware of all of the legal requirements and information, so agreements, card issuing, deposit protection, and so on. If everything looks okay, accept the terms, continue, and the next piece of personal information that you need to input is going to be your address. So you will have mandatory address at the top and then other optional addresses at the bottom. Input all of them as requested. I'm showing a blurred version because of course it's all personal information. Finally, you can browse through all of the plans. Standard is the free plan that includes the basic for Revolut, but you can consider a metal or premium plan if you want advanced features. Once you choose your specific plan, you will now be thrown into the home screen where you can create new accounts for different currencies, manage your cards, and all sorts of features. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.